If your YouTube ads are no more showing, this is what you can actually do in 2025. I'm going to help you to solve that problem. I encountered the same challenge, and guys, trust me, I was able to solve that problem, and I want to help you out. You know something? If ads are no more showing on your videos, I know how you are feeling. But you know what? I'm going to help you to solve that problem. I recently encountered the same challenge, and trust me, I was, what's going on? I watch a lot of videos. Some people were saying go and chat Team YouTube on X, which was formerly known as Twitter. But you know what? This simple thing I'm gonna tell you will actually bring those ads back. So if you are ready for the video, just smash the like button and subscribe to join the community, because this is where you can actually get tips about successful YouTube channel. All right, I have encountered a lot of problems or a lot of challenges as a YouTuber. I lost my first channel almost for 1 year, and guys, trust me, that channel is now back. So everything you need to know, if you're a beginner YouTuber or even if you're a pro YouTuber but you haven't encountered most of the common challenges, then trust me, subscribe to this channel because I'm gonna help you. I know you want your ads to come back. You see, for your ads to come back, this is simple. What you have to do is to go live on YouTube. All right, I want you to download OBS, which is a streaming software. All right, then install OBS on your desktop. Then you can actually go and search how to stream live on YouTube using OBS, or you can actually subscribe to the channel, because the next video I will show you how to do this. All right, so just subscribe. Maybe this can drop even by tomorrow, so just subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I will show you step by step. So go live on YouTube. Even if you are not going to say anything, just record your room, record something for almost 45 minutes. All right, then before you set up that streaming, what you have to do is to give it a title. So make sure the streaming, you give it a title, then give it a description. You can actually use ChatGPT to generate description about anything that you're about to stream. All right, so use ChatGPT to get the description. Then I want you to turn on the monetization for that particular streaming. It's super simple. You see, when it comes to using OBS to stream, the first thing that I did one of this common streaming where I was using my laptop camera to record my face, and this ad didn't come. All right, but the best one is to go live using the streaming section. I know you don't know how to do this. That's why I'm saying subscribe to the channel, go and watch how to stream live using OBS on YouTube. All right, super simple, and trust me, after that I want you to open your Google browser and I want you to go to incognito mode, and trust me, just click on that particular live streaming. After publishing, you see that ads will start showing on that particular streaming that you did. All right, but if your videos are still not showing ads, this is what I encountered. After doing that live recording streaming, this is where you have to pay attention to. You see, when ads are no more showing on your videos, what I want you to do after doing the live streaming and you see that ads are showing on that particular live streaming video, what I want you to do is to go back to your individual videos, and I want you to turn off the monetization. All right, so even if you have 100 videos, you have to turn off all the monetization, but you don't have to do everything at once. You just turn it off, then you save, then you come back again, turn it on, and I want you to check if your video is 8 minutes long. You can actually see that most of the ads were set automatically by YouTube, but what I want you to do, if your video is more than 8 minutes long, I want you to click on manage ads. All right, where you can actually place where the ads should show on your videos, and do this manually. All right, most of my videos, I noticed that the ads were placed at the later part of the video. That's why I was not seeing ads at the beginning of the videos. All right, so it's super simple. Go live and do channel auditing. You turn on the monetization, you save it, then you come back again, you turn it on, and you manage the ads if your video is 8 minutes long, and you will actually start seeing ads on those videos. Guys, this is super simple. I want to know, right, if this works for you. So come back and leave a comment so that people will know that this is the perfect video. All right, just go back and do what I've told you, and I want you to be okay. Don't be sad because the ads will come back. If this video helps you, give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. But how can you actually do this live streaming? If you want me to teach you, then subscribe to the channel. Let me know where you are watching this video from. Until then, hand to head, salute.